Hello everyone, this is Teddy Kecksteff from Forex Trading Unlocked, and we're here for a US dollar JPY Forex market analysis for February 1st through the 5th, 2021. Real quick, we just want to show you our disclaimer to remind you that this webinar is for illustrative and educational purposes only. Also, we want to remind you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forex Trading Unlocked, so you know when we're broadcasting these videos and more. Also, check out our channel. There's all kinds of great content on there. And also, check out the book, High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, available on Amazon.com in paperback and Kindle versions. All right, now we actually have a high probable Japanese candlestick pattern that we're going to show you. So we are at the Forex-Trading-Unlocked.com website. We already have the workstation page pulled up, which if you go to the nav bar, it's the first one. You click on that. Also, if you want to read the book, High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, a little excerpt, you go to this product, courses, and services, and you can see at the bottom of that, there's a link to go check it out. All right, now we have the US dollar Japanese yen page already put up here. Now the US dollar yen has been in a free fall for almost a year, and it is in a long-term and medium-term bear market. However, at the beginning of January, there was a piercing line buy signal. The piercing line is a high probable Japanese candlestick pattern. That is this low, and with the way it's settled, it's touched off the beginning of the bottom. Now, one thing also we have here is we have a very interesting little other double buy setup here. We have this here is what? This is a shoulder right there. This first little low right here. And then the low where this buy signal was triggered right here. This is a head. And I think I know that many of you are catching on to where I'm going here. And then this last low here was another shoulder, which gives us what? A head and inverse head and shoulders pattern, correct? And what does that mean? That means that we have a buy signal. All right, now let's take a look at this. So we have the piercing line that was triggered already on, in the beginning of January. And then a week and a half ago, we set this low here. This was a higher move low. Now remember, we had the head, which is our total low here. We rallied up to this point and set a lower move high, still a bear market. Then we came down and made this higher move low. This is our shoulder right here. We pierced this high right here, which now confirms a head and shoulder breakout, okay? And that also confirms more buying momentum, because after a higher move low, we're making a higher move high. So we're no longer on the neutral, we are on a hourly and daily short-term bullish momentum play right now. And especially with the close above this past lower move high, that's significant. We're expecting more follow through to the upside. We're expecting a challenge of this 105.36 area. Now you see this little yellow line back here? That has been going on all the way, if we go back to, oh, look at this, the end of February of last year. So we're pushing almost 1 year on this downtrend. So we're not calling for a bottom, but we definitely have a confirmed short-term bottom. Remember, the overall trend, long-term and medium-term, is still bearish. But right now, we are looking to press this correction up towards this downward-sloping yellow resistance line, holding the trend intact. By attrition, we can go sideways and reach that on its own. But definitely, as long as we're above this 103.33 area right here, this is the key pivot that's holding this rally intact. We are looking for a challenge of 105.36. 106.23 is most likely going to be extreme on any aggressive rally over the next, I would say, 1 to 3, 4 weeks, maybe even 5. Remember that the dollar index bottomed back in the beginning of January, as you can see here, and that had a bullish engulfing line buy signal. Whenever you have one of these signals in the dollar index, that usually means it triggers them and if you get them in other major highline currency crosses at the same time, that usually is a very, very good indication that the dollar has made a short-term top or bottom, depending on the signal. And right now, we are looking for the dollar index to get above 90.97. Should this get above here, there is a very good chance that the US dollar JPY will also continue to maintain its bullish strength. I think all your weak shorts and aggressive shorts now that are like, hey, this market's a bear, or this can't go any higher, they're going to get squeezed. There's going to be a short squeeze that'll drive this most likely up towards this 105.36 area. Then I expect it to get dicey. I don't see us just railing up to 106.23. Anything can happen and will in the marketplace, that's for sure. But right now, we are short-term bulls. We're looking for a challenge of 105.36. Definitely 103.33 is your risk level. You do not want to be long above or below 103.33. Any failure from support here will have us looking for new move lows to take out where the bottom was here, set back at the beginning of January. So this is very critical stuff you got to pay attention to. Please don't forget that. Okay, so that's how we're looking to shape up for the beginning of the trading week for the first week in February. Remember once again to subscribe to our YouTube channel and pass it on to your friends. Forex Trading Unlocked is the channel. And check out the book, High Probable Japanese Candlestick Patterns, available on Amazon.com in paperback and Kindle versions, so you can learn how to trade these signals or incorporate them into your own trading methodologies. We will be following this trade over the course of the week. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel, you'll be keeping up with our videos. So with that being said, good luck with all your trading. Always stick to a plan, have good risk management rules in place, stay disciplined, and persevere. You'll be fine. Keep on trading and moving ahead. So we will see you soon here. And remember to always check out us and all your Forex trading needs.